Hello again. I know that I kind of left a few videos out, but I got the engine out. It's over there, and I've got the new one currently right there. I'm working on putting it in, but oh shit, just dropped the cap. Found it. Let's see. This car's been sitting here for a while, but just change these out. The old shocks are pretty worn out. See the new one over there. Haven't changed the front ones, but change the back ones out for now. Put a clutch plate and everything on there. I'm waiting on a few people to come help me put it in, but as soon as I can put it in, I probably won't be able to start it today. I've got to get a few parts to connect to it. But yeah, well, it's a short video, but just keeping you informed. Probably have it in today. I have that one in here today, so won't be running, but as soon as I get it running, I'll send you on another video. Yeah, I'll have one.